Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Megan and I create videos all about mindset, personal development, and really just finally going after your dream life. In today's video, I am up-leveling my tech aesthetic. And listen, I know it's not a requirement for success or for productivity, but I'm a big believer in creating an inspiring space, surrounding ourselves with beautiful things that we appreciate and that motivate us. And I actually think creating an inspired space can make work more fun and even more productive. So I'll take you along and show you exactly how I'm customizing my tech. So let's go ahead and get started. So first up was updating my desktop vision board. This is something that I loved having last year. Having it front and center was super inspiring. So I started out by just scrolling through Pinterest, of course, getting as much inspo as I can and saving a bunch of inspirational photos. And then I actually just went in and started tweaking last year's vision board. So moving everything around, I kind of went for more of a collage look this time. And then once I had it looking the way I wanted it to visually, I did go and add some text, so things like the action steps that I wanted to take that kind of relate to each of those goals, and just really having also the how I want to get to these visions along with the inspiration. So here is the final result, and I'm honestly so happy with it. It's giving me such joy every day. I also did just resize it in Canva and downloaded it for the background on my phone as well, which I will show you in a little bit. Next up is something I've been wanting to do for a little while now, which is to actually customize the color of all of my desktop folders. So I tried to show you everything here without using shortcuts, so hopefully it'll be a little easier to tell what I do. But you're just gonna go ahead and click on the folder and copy the folder itself. Next, you're going to pull up the preview program and go ahead and open that. Then you'll select File and Copy from Clipboard. Once you're in this window, you'll select Tools and then Adjust Color. And then really from here, you're just going to be playing around with dragging those different toggles and finding the one that you like most. I wish you could copy and paste like an actual color code. I'm not sure if I just missed that, but I didn't see an option. So that's the only thing. It does take a little bit of playing around to get the color that you want. Once you found a color that you're happy with, you'll just click on that folder that you've edited, select Edit and Copy, and then you're going to go to your actual folders and right click on the folder. You'll select Get Info, and then when it opens up this little side tab, you literally just click on that little folder, paste your edits, and then you can literally just go through each folder and change them all the same way. Another really cool option is you can actually make your folders a photo. So you'll notice for my desktop, I've actually just taken photos and used those for my folders. So you'll do this exact same process. The only thing is you're actually going to go ahead and copy the photo into the preview app rather than the folder. And then same thing, you'll just edit, select copy on that photo that you'd like, and then paste it to the folder in the Get Info tab. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, this one gives me way too much joy. It's actually kind of stupid, but it's this little flippy clock and I've been wanting it and I found it. It was way easier than I thought. So I just found this download. It's called like Flickwo, I think it is. It looked to be legit. It's all like Apple Store styles. It's free, so I downloaded that. Pretty straightforward. You just like select it once you've downloaded it, and that's that. So pretty easy, super love it. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to try it as well. Okay, more aesthetic customization coming your way, and I want to update this one a little bit, but I went ahead and took my brand colors, so I always have my brand codes on hand. If you haven't used the Google Chrome extension, the dropper one, I'll leave that down below as well. Super easy for pulling just any color codes off the internet. Really easy to just right click on your calendar and then you can enter that color code and customize it. So I want a little bit more differentiation in color, so that's kind of where I need to go through and just set things up a little bit better, but really easy to update if you want to do that as well. Probably the most functional update in terms of my tech and aesthetic was for my phone. So I was one of those people who had 8,000 pages of apps, like just absolute chaos, which is a little bit odd for somebody who really likes structure and organization. So the first thing I did was take a ton of time to just go through. I deleted out a lot of apps that I don't use or need anymore, and then I started making just a few different folders for all of my apps. So I kept it really simple. And then I think like the most exciting part was getting into widgets, which I've seen a bajillion people have, but I had no idea how to actually set them up. Super, super easy. If you scroll all the way over to the left-hand side of your iPhone, it kind of brings up that day view. And in the top left-hand corner, you'll see a plus sign. You can scroll down and literally just pick any of your different apps to add as a widget. I picked things that were either inspiring to me or that will help me with my productivity. So my notes app is something that I use absolutely every day. I also saw that you can have a Pinterest widget and you can set it to your favorite Pinterest board and it will actually update once every hour, I think is what I have it for. So I love that, like opening my phone and seeing that little bit of inspiration, and also the fact that it changes a lot just kind of keeps like your mind fresh and having my goals front of mind. This was a major change that I'm really, really excited about. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, maybe got a little bit of inspiration on how you can customize your workspace, your tech, and really create an environment that is even more inspiring to go ahead and get after those goals. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I will catch you all on social until next week's video. Bye guys.